Hey, hello guys, welcome back to another gameplay video. In this video we are going to play Granny chapter 2. This is second video of our series of Granny, so let's get started. Let's go, man. Let's go, Devan. Okay, let's go. Let's go. So I don't want to die. Even in him, let's go. Let's go. It's the correct time. Okay. Okay. No, there's nothing. This is also empty. Oh man. No. Is there anything inside? Why I'm so okay? Gasoline. I think this would help me. Anything else? No. Meat. What the hell? Okay. Helicopter key. Remote. I forgot. Piece of picture. Okay. I have to remember all these things. In this video we are going to do a helicopter escape. So let's go. I have to find more stuff now. Okay, I don't need this. Let's go. I have to find a crowbar. Okay, another piece of painting. Man, I'm so unlucky. Please. Okay, helicopter manual. Okay, let's go. Nope. Let's go. Nope. Yeah. Okay, let's check down there. Okay, there's another piece of benching, and yes, I need that stun gun. Let's go. Hello. Oh man. Oh, this aims. Okay. Okay, he's there. Shoot. Oh, I want to skill. Oh man, these controls. Okay, let's go. I have to do it as fast as I can do it. Let's go. Okay, done. Is there anything inside there? Nope. Piece of picture. Let's go. Okay, the steering wheel. So something is blocking this. Oh, where's the way? There should be something. Boat key. No, I don't know this. First piece of picture. Okay, I know all the places. Okay, yeah, man. Crowbar, let's go. Okay, there's the way. Duct tape. Yeah, that's good for me. Let's go. Okay. I need a safe key and I don't have it. What if I? Nope, I don't want to try this. Let's go. Another piece of bread, let's go. Please, please, please. Let's go. It's not LSL. Okay, not this way. The way. Okay, I need one more. And I have to open this. Let's go. Enough! What the hell? Already I'm playing this game in midnight. No. Oh no, please, no. I am already alone in this home. Oh, sorry, in this room. And it's night time when I'm playing this game. Actually, I'm trying more horror games, and that's why this video is getting late by late. I have to try more and more games, and yeah, there was my exams, so this video was too late. Like my recent video was 10 to 12 days ago I uploaded it, so yeah, now I will be consistent, I think so. Let's go. Okay. Let's go. Done. Now I need weapon gear. Okay, let's go. I'm so lucky, man. No, please go there. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Where's the gate, man? Okay. There's the way. Let's go. Let's open it. Shotgun. For a second. Oh, what? Let's go. Granny. No, what the heck? Nope. I wasted my ammo first. I wasted my ammo. Okay, nope, no, man. No, please. Okay, let's go. I again wasted. Okay. Let's go. Where's the way? What's there? Oh, this trap. Okay, I think I have all the things to escape. Okay, a helicopter key, gasoline, duct tape. I think that's all. Yeah, a glass fuse, done. I am lucky, I think. Okay. Aim. No. Oh, let's go. Let's pound. Let's do it again. Let's go. Yeah, man, I'm pro at this. And bro, it's shooting. Nope. Let's go. Done. Let's go. What I'm doing, let's okay, I need a glass fuse. Okay, let's go. What the hell, I forgot the way. Okay, what's there? Oh, good shit. But I'm doing these controls. And then it's getting guys, let's go. Okay, I forgot where's the glass fuse were. Where the glass fuse was, I forgot. Let's go down first. There's a wheel. No, not there. Oh my god. How can I forget this? And it's a spark plug. There's helicopter key. Okay, come here. What the hell, I forgot where the last fuse was. Let's go. Grandpa will come now. I saw you. Hello. Let's go. Where's the glass fuse? Where the glass fuse was? Please. It's a damn no. Oh, there's a wrench. There's door gauge. Okay. Let's go. Please. I can do it. Yes, man. Let's go. Let's go. There's a way. Okay. Let's go now. Okay, this is our helicopter. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the let's go. Me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. Okay, enough tape. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I'm never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain. I know you told your friend you're not okay. Tell me what's wrong. Let's go. Okay, let's go. I picked up a hand grenade. If Granny will come, then I will. I don't know what I will do. Let's go. Okay. And let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. You can start. Oh, okay, I can't start without. I think this should be a full option. Okay, let's go. If I skip this time, then this will be my first game of Granny 2 when I skipped it. I have played it a lot, like 6 to 7 times, and never even skipped from this house. Let's go, let's go. It will affect her. Oh, no, no. What the hell I'm doing? Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, there is fuel, there's fuel. What? Let's go.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue.
Where's Granny? Where's Granny?
As you fade away.
Okay, damn, man.
As you fade away.
He's not coming, I think. That's why I have to up.
Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts.
There's a gasoline can. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
I can do it, I can do it.
You look at me as such a disgrace. You never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me?
No,
Well,
just
maybe I'm a
need
taste.
to
All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
I don't know that Granny is too rich, that she has a helicopter. Okay, let's go. Done, done, done. Where's the key? Okay, let's take it and start the engine. It takes a lot of time. Okay. Okay, Granny. Bye.